Okay guys, so I'm back inside. I'm standing at the entry. Okay, again, we got kitchen, front door, and then we're going to turn here to the stairs. Oh look, they already have it turned on for us. It is a little bit dark in the stairwell, but you know, that's not the end of the world. Carpet stairs again. Carpet's not brand new, but it's very nice. It's nicer than like builder grade, you know. So we have a closet here. All right, so linen closet, place, you know, sheets, towels, things. So we have the laundry to the left here. It does look like the doors have been removed, but you can see, you know, like it's not at the edge of the stairs. So there's space to do your laundry. Your company is not looking right in at it, and you're not gonna run out of space when you're trying to do things. So we have that. And then turn here, we have, so in the full bath here, you can see it is tile, right? It is a different tile than the downstairs, but it's cohesive. It's the same color tones. Okay, so same styling as before. Like I said, that this is probably your original, but the cabinets are probably, they've been painted brown. Honestly, it's the color kind of looks like a stain, so it looks very nice. You can see it's got a newer toilet in here. The shower is the one piece. You can see it's not actual tile, but the tub is in good condition. Okay, like the tiniest, like you can see just the tiniest little things, but that's, you know, normal wear. But again, this will not give you gross grout lines. So I know that's nice, and it does have a changed shower head. So that is also nice as well.